Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make custard at home full guide. Preheat a saucepan to medium and gather eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Whisk eggs with sugar until pale. Slowly warm the milk and temper it into the egg mixture, stirring constantly. Return to low heat and cook gently until it coats the spoon, then cool and strain for silky results. Warm, cozy flavors transform basic custard into something memorable and simple to make at home. Start with high-quality dairy and real vanilla for the best aroma. Choose egg yolks for a rich custard, or use a bit of cornstarch for a firmer, more stable set. Stir gently on low heat until thick, then cool and chill to let the texture settle into a smooth finish. If your custard shows problems, stay calm and use gentle fixes to save it. Straining through a fine sieve can remove any tiny cooked bits and smooth the texture. Rewarm slowly while whisking if it's slightly loose, but avoid high heat that causes curdling. For safety and taste, cool quickly in an ice bath before refrigerating, and always store custard covered to prevent skin formation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.